House prosecution panel also believes that all senator judges should be physically present during the trial and voting proceedings. This comes after Senator Rodante Marcoleta proposed amending Senate rules to allow senators who are absent from the session to participate or vote online.
Because it is indispensable to arrive into a fair judgment for a senator on the merits of the case without having to physically evaluate and examine the evidences and to direct cross-examine witnesses who would be in the witness stand. This is not just an ordinary legislative function where pwede kang mag-Zoom o pwede kang mag-remotely vote. No? Ito, pinag-uusapan dito, accountability ng isang impeachable officers.
Political scientist Cleve Arguelles echoed the same sentiment.
It would be a disservice to their duty as senator judges, no? Kung hindi sila magpa-participate physically and fully doon sa impeachment trial. Kung yung ating mga kababayan nga ay sinasabi nila na hindi pa nila naiintindihan ng masyado yung ebidensya, kulang pa yung impormasyon nila, siguro yung expectation nila sa senator judge is that they have to be there to fully understand everything para magawa talaga nila yung duty nila to assess whether to convict or acquit the Vice President.
Adyong also added that at least 5 private prosecutors will voluntarily assist the House prosecution team. One of them is Attorney Lorna Capunan.
Naniniwala sila na ang pinanggagalingan nito ay ang konstitusyon. Sabi ko nga, lahat tayo stakeholders, mas lalo na ang legal community. Pag lawyer ka, talagang kailangan mo ring protektahan ang konstitusyon at make sure na talagang na-implement ng maayos ang ating mga batas.